Nice. Awesome. Burr. 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 Yeah. Fucking sick. Burr, 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 burr. Man, you gotta check out the sweet new ringtone.
Yeah. Yeah, that's like not just like a phone call. That's like it's like let's get sexy sounding. Hello? Hi. I was just wondering if you have any interest in my brother. He makes ringtones for money and maybe hello? I think we should do this promotional thing and we can contact the phone company and they can pay us to make stock ringtones that come with the phone.
This stuff is like dead simple, man. It sells itself. Listen to this. It's like the illest beat ever.
I'm trying to tell them that they want.
Yeah. Feel that.
Yeah, that one's good. That's a new tune. That's a good new tune. There's water takes at least 3 times better.
Check it out with the modifications.
Hey, lost ya. Do you hear the beat? Hello? Oh, hi. Hey, I thought you had a really cool phone number, so I thought you were a cool person. Just check out this beat. Why don't you? It's like ringing.
Check it out with the modifications.
Hey, check out this beat. You gotta love it. Say it, hit it. It's not even a beat. It's a ringtone.
Check it out the modifications.
Whoa.
So what do you got here for me, guy?
I got some sweet ringtones. I'm gonna see if you like them. Maybe do business.
Just show me the stuff already.
This is just a prototype, but it's got a really racy edge to it. People seem to be liking it. Can I use this?
You get it down then first. Yeah, no kidding. You know why people like it? I already wrote it! See how I get the party started? I need some muscle in here. Some joker's trying to sell me my own material.
Oh, I swear I know.
You got some nerve, dickwife.
Ah!
Why did clothes come off so easy?
Serious, bro? So is the deal off? So is the deal off? You have my number. Call me.
I'm intrigued.
Should I alert the others?
They already know.
That's gnarly, bro. I don't know how you did that. That was hot, though.
Nice body.
Nah, yeah.
Reba, 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 ba, 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 ba. Yeah. Fucking sick. Reba, ba, reba, ba. Ria, 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 ria. Ria, 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 ria. Ria, ria, it's fucking sick. Yeah.
Oh, not now. Get him away. You need a new song, damn. Because you and your stupid song ringtone you didn't even right. Now we don't have a product to sell.
Do you have green for me?
What's taking so long?
Where's the cash? Did you get cash for us?
What is taking so long? Why can't you write a decent song?
Is that a joke? Is that a joke? Is that a joke?
Write a song!
You trying to be funny? You josh me? I'm an artist, man. I gotta let shit flow.
Tell me what makes the genius flow.
The genius flow is a God-given gift. It's like a present from me. So make some money on my gift!
So give me some presents! I don't want to look like an idiot when I'm talking to big budget people that I meet on the internet or in person.
Why don't you just stick to your business model and get us the money that we deserve?
Whoa, I mean make yourself a sandwich or something to relax. I'm gonna do something useful, open the door.
Hey guy. I just came by to apologize. I was totally out of line for accusing you of stealing my shit. And I actually kind of wanted to talk to you about that.
Sure. Thanks, man. Come on in, let's clear some space. Welcome to my abode. It's a humble one. It's not quite as nice as your office space, but it's good. Take a seat on the chair. Well, it's good best to tap.
Everyone has their poison.
I know what you mean. You mind if I have you this?
Help yourself.
Oh my god, really?
Let's get down to business. I'm sure you understand the magnitude of these ringtones. The frequency of vibration in each decibel has the potential to reverse entropic polarity.
Like
if you're able to harness that
ones
energy, it could have an incalculable effect.
Oh, brown ones are the best. Because it's kind of like
power to
chocolate on the outside, mentally, and then on the inside it's like physical and emotional.
Would you sell these ringtones? Could you make more?
Uh-huh.
Do you have the resources to make more?
Yep.
I gotta stop jerking you off.
Yep, I know. You mind if I have like a few more?
Who
my brown babies?
Go for it.
Oh.
How much would it take to buy you out?
Can I have a couple more of those?
Take the bag.
Brown ones are good, but how about a little more green?
Green? How much? I got.
Is that $20?
Take it.
Oh my god! $20, what do I have to do?
The tones, they become bones.
Not even. This is the lottery.
Well,
This is why I wake up in the morning. I got his fucking money!
I'm all out of rings and I'm all out of tones, man. I got nothing. My bank's dry.
You don't understand. I got Smarties and $20.
I got nothing. I'm out. I'm out. How are we gonna keep this business afloat? Fuck, we're gonna go bankrupt. We're gonna lose our mortgage.
No, I got $20 and a bag of Smarties.
Candies? Are those candies?
Yeah, chocolate.
Chocolate candies?
The bag of Smarties. And $20. Lay down.
Give me some of this.
Okay,
Give me some of the candy.
Lie down, lie down, lie down, lie down.
Ah! Ah, yeah! Suck. This is how we do it. Give me one. Give me a suck around.
Oh.
Yeah! Yeah! Fuck yeah! 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 This is how we do it. 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 Yeah! 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 Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Oh, this is how we do it. This is how we fucking do it. This is how we do it, G! Yeah!
This bag is sacred.
This shit's gonna be mine, bro, so fucking back up.
No, this is mine!
You ain't getting none of this! Get the fuck up!
No, give me
Get the fuck away! This shit's mine, man! This shit's mine!
I was like having a dream about both of us walking down this alleyway like last night when I was sleeping, and at the end of the alleyway there's a man who popped out and I never want to see his face again.
No, man, I can't believe we got these, like, super drencher guns for, like, only $25.
Super squirters.
And you got those sunglasses?
I
like
can't
the
believe
best fucking deal
we only
ever.
had to like pay like $20.
Ambush! Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah!
Ow! Oh, that's so fun! Oh, that's so fun! But guys, hold on! Don't hit my shorts! I'm going to an interview. Don't hit the shorts! Don't! Guys, that's the shorts!
weak.
That's the
When is
clincher.
working?
These shorts are the clincher! I need him to seal the deal!
Okay.
Whoa!
Get it up!
Not the shorts! No!
Get it up! You wet?
Who wants to get a snack? Get water. Get water. Water. Yeah, I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna. Help!
Squirters ain't jerks!
The only thing better than water is snacks.
Water, you know you're gonna get wet!
Oh, squirters ain't jerks.
Ah, thanks guys. Oh, that's great.
Brothers, thicker than water.
Yeah, I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm just thinking so we can all work it. Ah!
Shoot his hand, don't hurt him.
Don't do anything you're gonna regret now. Keep it cool. You know, we just have to.
totally
We have
cool.
to. Hey, okay. Okay, guys.
All three of us want the same thing.
We just want something. I know. Hey, back up. Back up. Maybe.
Whoa,
maybe.
no,
Where's the sax?
Upstairs! Shoot blind! Yeah, shoot blind! Shoot blind! Shoot blind! Ah, so wet!
What's the... I'm not gonna keep him in here. Henry! Henry! Oh, this is perfect. Oh, yeah. I'll just take a nap for a second. Mama, yeah.